Welcome back. This is the train channel. We don't know. Nope, it is a grain hopper train, or a short grain hopper train it is. Let's check it out. It is. Nope, this is a grain hopper train coming. Sent me a long one anyway. Got a CITX hopper. I haven't seen that one before. I hope there's not a stoppage on the rear. I done it like several times. That's why. Yep, there's the end. Yeah, there's the end anyway. There you go. All right, we'll be back on with the next train. We're going to get off. Talk to you later.